Hello, today we are going to draw a monkey in the trees. So first start off by drawing a circle. Then you're going to draw an oval shape connected to the circle for his body. Then after that, draw a line for his arm and a circle for his hand and another arm for his and a circle. Then draw his legs and his feet. Now we're going to add some ears on the side and a tummy, which is another oval shape. Now we're going to draw a curved line for his mouth. Well, not really his mouth, but like his face. Then two eyes, two little dots for his nose, and a cute two C's for his ears. And now we're going to draw a line that swirls for his little. Okay, now grab a green crayon or pencil and just draw a line where his arm touches, a little curved line like that. And then think about where you can attach it from the top of the page and bring it down to touch. Then I'm going to do another line coming from another side of the page, but I'm going to stop at his head and jump over where the vine would be behind the monkey. Now I'm going to look and where I have some more space, and I'm going to draw a little baby monkey. So same thing, draw a small circle, and then his body, draw his arms, his feet, see how this foot is behind his ear, but I didn't draw it because it's behind, so I stopped. Then two circles for his ears, his tummy, his face, two little dots for his nose, two eyes, and his smile, of course. Then we're going to draw his curly swirly tail and his little funky hair. I forgot to do that on the other one. I'll draw that there. Squiggle, 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 squiggle. Then two C's, one backwards and one regular, inside of his ears. Now we are going to think about where we can put the other vines. So I'm going to see, well, I need to put something for my monkey to hold on, so I'm going to draw a line to his hand from the top of the page. See if you can continue that line behind him to run off of the other side of the page. Like this. I stop at the monkey, jump over, and go on the other side of the page. Also, this step's a little more advanced, so you can stop here if you'd like, or you can continue and draw some leaves going around the vines. This is probably better for the older kids. If you're in preschool or younger, you might want to stop at just the monkeys and color them in. But if you want to continue, you can keep drawing some leaves and some swirly vines coming from some of those vines. So just find space in your picture where you can add those. Okay, pause here and go ahead and color in. Also, one tip is to use different shades of brown to color in your monkey. I also like to add a little bit of pink for his ears, just as a little detail. Again, this is advanced, a little more advanced if you want to take it to the next step. One more thing to take it to the next step if you would like is to add some details to the leaves. So you'll just take a darker green and go on top of a green that you've already colored in, and you can draw a line through the leaves. That's it for the monkey lesson. I hope you enjoyed, and happy drawing!